For Mental Health Awareness Month, we partnered up with Stanley Law Offices to shed light on mental health professionals in our community. For our last segment, we sat down with a member from Samaritan Counseling Center. Take a look. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and here on Around the Tears, we're committed to help breaking the stigma that surrounds mental health. Samaritan Counseling Center has supported mental health needs since 1983. Jan Prentice, a counselor at Samaritan Counseling Center, explains the center focus in providing spiritually sensitive counseling.
For some people, spirituality is a really important piece of their whole mental health, and we explicitly address that. So sometimes a Christian person will come for counseling, and then we're interested in, how they feel like their Christian faith overlaps with the things that they are finding challenging.
The main reason for having a month for mental health awareness is helping educate about mental care. They say a misconception with counseling is the notion that counselors only pathologize mental issues when in reality they act more so as guides.
A counselor is really meant to help you tap into your own resources, to help you find your way. You found yourself in a bit of a spot where your old coping skills haven't helped you find the way, but a counselor could just be asking you questions that you haven't heard before, and then you find yourself giving the answer that you didn't realize you had. So a lot of counseling is about evoking resources from you yourself.
Jan explains that meeting some basic needs of getting enough sleep, eating nutritional food, and getting some exercise can set you up on a good foundation. However, another major aspect to keep in mind is social connection.
So sometimes when you're struggling with one thing or another, you tend to draw back and isolate. And if you can resist that and reach out to someone and get connected with people you trust, people who you believe care about you, that's going to be helpful too. So the social aspect of staying mentally well is important.
If you would like to learn more about Samaritan Counseling Center, visit our website, wbng.com, and go to the Around the Tears tab.